Hey guys, Chris here from Security Bros, back with another video. Today we are reviewing the Safemo 4K wireless outdoor security camera system. So this system comes with two 4K battery security cameras, a hub with built-in 32GB storage and two solar panels. The hub works kinda like an NVR and you can add up to 4TB of storage if you want. Of the built-in 32GB storage, only 18GB is available for recordings. So if your camera only records a few clips per day, that will last for a while. You can set the recording duration in the app and the longest is 3 minutes, and the camera starts to record when motion is detected. They can't do continuous recording, and since it has built-in storage, there is no monthly fees. The camera's battery life is hard to predict exactly since there are so many factors affecting power consumption. Things like number of recordings per day, Wi-Fi signal strength, and even outside temperature can all impact how long the batteries last. If you place the camera in a very busy area, the camera will constantly wake up and start to record, which will drain the battery much faster. So I would recommend placing them in a quiet area with very little activity, and with the help of the solar panels, the battery should last a long time. At daytime, the image quality is quite good for being battery-powered security cameras. You can probably identify a person at around 10 meters and read license plate at maybe 15 meters. For nighttime, you can choose between infrared night vision or full color night vision using the built-in spotlights. If you have full color selected, it will turn on the spotlight when the camera detects motion. The image quality at night isn't the sharpest I've seen, but it's decent enough to make out what's going on. Overall, I think this wireless security camera system is worth checking out if you want a simple plug-and-play, completely wire-free solution. The build quality definitely feels premium. Both the cameras and the hub have a solid weight to them and are made of high quality plastics. The cameras have a nice matte finish that should hold up well against sun exposure, and all the seams are tight with good weatherproofing seals. They are IP65 rated, so they should handle rain and harsh weather without any issues. And I did test spray some water on them for a while without any problems. At the moment when I record this video, this kit sells for $350 on Amazon. And for full transparency guys, if you use my link in the description below, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So the camera records in 4K 3840 by 2160 at 15 frames per second, and it has a wide angle lens of 130 degrees. It supports smart detections like faces, pets, package, vehicle and human detection. I only tested the vehicle and human detection and that worked really good. The camera works with the Safemo app and will send you instant push notifications to your phone when motion is detected, which you can then view directly in the app from playback, saved on the hub's built-in storage. They also support two-way audio, so you can talk and listen through the cameras.
And this is how it sounds like when I talk through the camera.
They also have an alarm siren to scare away any intruders. So to set this up, you need to download the Safemo app from Google Play Store or App Store, connect the power and network cable from your router to the hub and turn it on. Then open the app, tap on the plus icon and allow the app permissions. After that the hub will automatically show up and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. The cameras are turned on when the battery is inserted. Remember to remove the safety tape, and you probably want to fully charge the battery as well before installing the cameras. So when you're connected to the cameras, we can select which camera we want to view and access. So here on the first page we can talk through the camera, playbacks, audio, and if we tap here we got alarm, snapshot, spotlight and record video. To go to the settings we tap up here. In motion detection we can adjust the sensitivity, record duration and what type of motion detection we want. In notifications we can turn on and off push notifications from each smart alert. In alarm we got all the settings for siren and flash. In video we can set the resolution, what night vision we want and the sensitivity. And I think that's all of the interesting settings, so let's have a look at some recordings. Here we have daytime recorded in 4K with audio turned on. And at 20 meters you can actually read the plate number, but it's not very clear. At 15 meters no problem reading the plate number. And here at 10 meters it's very clear. This is at night also recording 4K with audio turned on. And at night using the spotlight for full color night vision.